Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The notification has been questioned set aside by the Honorable High Court of Bombay in Goa, and the notification was basically for not dispensing of the notices, which at least 60 days draft notification should be there, and then the notification comes. But here the draft notification was dispensed with. Now there are so many illegalities going here. Still the bulldozers are seen. They are cutting the trees. We had also that day there were 3 trees cut here. I don't know how these CRZ violations are going in, blatant CRZ violation in Myanmar. Everywhere they are seen a concrete jungle and all. Still I don't know how they are going in such a fashion.
पर्यावरण मंत्री म्हणता ब्ल्यू फ्लॅग सर्टिफिकेशन ही सध्याची गरज, विरोधक गरज नसताना राजकारण करता.
Certification एक certification that this particular beach world over, that this particular beach has these many facilities, and only if these facilities are there on the beach, then only it becomes a blue flag, and the tourists prefer to go to a blue flag destination because it has got all basic facilities what a tourist desires to go. Now, what is the political crux of this, I don't know. I am aware that the blue flag certification, when I was chairman of Goa Tourism Development Corporation, we had initiated Miramar Beach. That was the first beach was supposed to be taken. There also there was some issue. Ultimately, Goa being a touristic destination, you can't keep on telling that we are not going to be in part of the world tourism. Tourism today, we have to be part of the world circuit, where tourists see today online tourism is far more sold than actually today we don't have travel agents. Today our airline tickets are sold online, and today everything is online, and people see the blue flag certification, which is a certification given only to beaches where there is a proper toilet facility, there is a proper changing room facility, there is a proper bathroom facility, there is a proper locker facility, there is accessibility to handicapped people on the beach. Only these are the facilities which are on blue flag. And I think the controversy which has been created is only by opposition, because this is the time of elections. People should not get bored by it. There is no commercialization of the beach. The beach is maintained by the government only.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.